taking pages from a magazine. Been looking for the answers ever since we were 17. You know the truth can be a weapon to fight this world of ill intentions. A new answer to the same question. How many times will you learn the same lesson? I think they got it all wrong. We just gotta hold on and on and on. 'Cause we're gonna be legends, gonna get their attention. What we're doing here ain't just scary, it's about to be legendary. Yeah, we're gonna be legends, gonna teach them all a lesson. Got this feeling in our souls we carry, that it's about to be legendary. This is what we came for, and we couldn't want it anymore. Could never turn back now, got to leave it all on the floor. Been dreaming of the payoff, through the struggles and the trade-offs. Fighting tooth and nail on the way up. Tell them the truth, but they think it's just made up. I think they got it all wrong. we're gonna be legends. Gonna get their attention. What we're doing here ain't just scary. It's about to be legendary. Yeah, we're gonna be legends. Gonna teach them all a lesson. Got this feeling in our souls we carry. It's about to be legendary. Eventually they're gonna know who's right. To make a stand, you got to win the fight. Can't stand the heat and just the afterlife. Or you might.
Living by the G code. What the bleak though? Don't ask them, what do we know? What I forgot is better than whatever they remember. Never mind, I'm all fit to the quiet phone. Time to get to the quiet corner. Hush, that's enough, said the ruler. No suckers allowed to break bread or asunder. The daylight, lightning and the thunder. The sun, moon, stars and the hunger. Abundance in bundles, blessings and troubles. Towers and tunnels, views and valleys, waves and peaks, streets. And ain't scared of no Mars attack. What type of bars is that? Stay off my dick. I'm not big corny riot on his top 5. Dial on and on him. Super fly, slicker, top pro. Eagles diving on him. You wire lying, homie. You won't play with my emotions, Smokey. Big chief, heart rate, big beat, B-E-Y-I-C. Straight jacket, come clean. Big said it was a dream. Now it's a living thing. With you and living kings, I mean it.